Prime Minister Narendra Modi has written a letter to citizens on Constitution Day, calling on everyone to honor their constitutional duties. He says these duties are the foundation of a strong and vibrant democracy. In the letter released on the 76th year of the Constitution's adoption, the Prime Minister highlights one message again and again, that India's progress depends on how seriously people take their responsibility as citizens. He urges people to strengthen democracy by exercising their right to vote, and he makes a special appeal to schools and colleges. He asks them to celebrate Constitution Day by honoring students who have just turned 18 and will be voting for the first time. He says encouraging young people to take part in democracy is essential for the nation's future. PM Modi also recalls Mahatma Gandhi's idea that rights flow from duties. He says this guiding principle continues to shape India even today. According to him, fulfilling duties is not only a moral responsibility but also the basis for social and economic growth. The Prime Minister writes that the decisions taken today will shape the lives of the next generation. He says citizens should carry a sense of duty in their minds as India moves towards the vision of a developed and confident nation, a Viksit Bharat. In a separate message posted on X, PM Modi says the Constitution gives the highest value to human dignity, equality and liberty. He points out that while the Constitution empowers every citizen with rights, it also reminds them of their duties, which are essential for a strong and stable democracy. PM Modi also paid tribute to the farmers of the Constitution. He says their wisdom and foresight continue to guide India and that the nation must live up to the ideals they set. In the letter, he also speaks personally. He says the Constitution has empowered millions of people like him. He recalls how its strength and scarcity shaped his own journey from a humble and economically disadvantaged background to becoming the head of the government. The Prime Minister mentions two moments that hold deep meaning for him: bowing at the steps of Parliament in 2014 and placing the Constitution on his forehead in 2019. He says these were symbols of his respect for democratic values and his commitment to protect them. PM Modi ends the letter by urging citizens to live with a sense of gratitude towards the nation. He says when people hold this feeling in their hearts, fulfilling their duties becomes a natural part of their lives.